Today we will start with Standard 1 subject EVS. You all have to take your textbooks out. We will start with lesson number 2.4, page number 28. Lesson number 2.4, personal cleanliness, and page number 28. Everyone, you have to take your textbooks out and you have to start reading with me. See, in the starting there are given some few lines about you. We'll just read them. The important thing about you is that you are you. You were a baby and you grew and you grew. Now you are a child and you know the important thing is to be healthy as you grow, What is being said in these lines? That first thing you should understand is you are yourself. First you are a baby, now you grew up to a child, and as being a child you should always be healthy. That will help you to grow and grow. The first thing we'll see in this lesson is a clean body is a healthy body. You should always get up early in the morning, and the first thing that you have to do after getting up is you should brush your teeth and wash your face properly. First of all, you should get up early in the morning and you should brush your teeth and wash your face clean. Brush your teeth at least twice a day. You should always, every day you have to brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and also before going to sleep. Go to the toilet. Always flush the toilet after use. Wash your hands after using the toilet. See, you have to go to the toilet all the time, and after using it you should always flush it properly, and also you should wash your hands after using the toilet. Have a bath with soap and water every day. Clean your ears and nose every day. Use a clean towel to wipe yourself dry. Whenever you take a bath, you should take a bath with a soap and water every day. You should also clean your ears and nose every day with a clean towel. Wear clean clothes after a bath. Comb your hair and keep it neat and tidy. What should you do now after a bath? After a bath, every day you have to wear your clean clothes, and also you should comb your hair and keep it neat and tidy. Trim your nails but do not bite. Sit up straight, then everything is right. You should always cut your nails on time. You should not bite it. See, some children have the habit to do it this way. You should not do it. This is a very bad habit, and you should always sit straight. You should not sit like this. You should always sit straight, and then everything will be alright. See, now we'll go to the next page, page number 29. Wear clean clothes always. Always, whenever you change your clothes, remember that you should wear clean clothes. Dirty clothes are bad for your health. They can make you sick. Use a handkerchief to wipe your nose. Cover your mouth with a handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. Whenever you sneeze or cough, you should keep a handkerchief and you should sneeze and cough on the handkerchief. Gargle after eating and keep your mouth clean. Whenever you eat anything, after that you should drink water and also gargle it properly. Toothbrush, comb, towel, soap, nail cutter and handkerchief, these all help us to clean ourselves every day. All these things, what do? They help us to clean our body every day. Keep these things clean in their proper places. As these things, they clean our body every day, what do we have to do? We have to also keep these things properly in a good and hygienic place. Next is rest and play. You must have enough exercise every day. You should always have an enough exercise every day. What does this mean? That you have to do exercise? Yeah, it's good if you do exercise, but with that you should also play. Play means by using your hands and your legs. There are many games which we can play. Remember to wash your hands and feet every time after playing. Whenever you go for playing, after coming from that, every time you should wash your hands and feet properly with water and soap. You must have enough sleep at night. Remember to wear a clean night dress before sleeping. See, whenever the whole day you wear some clothes, but whenever you go to sleep, you should always wear your night dress, and don't forget to keep it also clean. Now, do you know that your eyelashes and eyelids keep dirt and dust out of your eyes? See your eyelids, this hair that is present on your eyes, and the eyelids which are closed and open, they both help any dust to go inside your eyes. They don't let anything go into your eyes. Okay. So, now we are finished with the lessons. The question and answers that is given to you on this page number 29. The question and answers that are given here, and also along with it the question and answer given on page number 30. This, it will all be given to you in the end of this video. You have to complete this book, and also you have to write all this in your notebook also. Thank you.